Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how we have done the job in the LEXUS IS250 series with the new 10-inch touchscreen full package, and also upgrade the new Full HD anti-glare reverse camera as well. Now just have start with the interior thing first. Before it was just the original head unit, so you need to remove the original head unit out of this one, which quickly I can assume saying that you can check our other video that we show how to remove the part in this car. It's a bit tricky to remove the top air conditioner vent over here. But it's easy if you already know how to do it, or you can follow the instruction and you can do it for sure. There's 4 special locking plastic locking tab staying against the top dashboard, so when you insert this one in, the lock stay locked in, so you have to use some small flat dry screwdriver to push it down, 1, 2, 3 and 4 of them, and then you can slide this one out. Just check our other video how to remove that one. Okay, so you can get this one off. You get this side cover trim off, this cover trim off, just plastic trim remover tool. You can pop it out. Even with my hand I can pull it out because it just slide in. And then unscrew this gear stick cover and put the gear stick slide backward by pressing the shift lock here, and then you pop up this cover and unplug the power connector on the bottom of this one, and then unscrew 2 other screws underneath of this, which actually holding this little compartment part, and then you can easily pop this compartment out and unclip the power connector to that one, which actually supply power to cigarette lighter here. And after that, underneath of the original CD player here, there's one little lip cover. Just put your finger in and pop, slide out, it comes out straight away. Okay, not a problem. And after that, you will see 2 10mm screw at the bottom of the CD player, which holding the bracket at the bottom, 1 and 2, and another 2 10mm screw holding on the top in here, okay, behind this, after you remove this event. And then just unscrew 4 of them, and then you will be able to slide the whole factory head unit out. Now we go to the reverse camera section. So this one comes with the factory camera, and the factory camera is not good, okay, not good any times. So it goes here in the middle and under the LEXUS logo. So what we did is we remove the inside cover, and okay, let's push this one. Yep. So let me show you. What we did is we removed the cover of the tailgate, and it exposing the thing over here, which actually there's one black metal cover to block the access to the camera. So just unscrew 10mm screw 2 of them, and then you will be able to remove the black metal cover, and you access into the reverse camera, which actually hold it into the place by 2 of the 10mm screw also, and just unscrew it, and then you can pull the camera, the factory camera, backward from the inside, okay, and then you get the camera out. And just follow our instruction to replace our new camera into the same factory slot. And after that, just run the wiring cable along here and inside this one, okay, inside this side plastic and metal channel going in here, and you will get it through the right side of the car. Just open the carpet and you will see one small hole which actually run the wire along the body. And basically that wire I mentioned is running under here inside. Okay, so simply get a pilot wiring, you know, to hold the reverse camera line and run through the channel from the back into here, you know, along here, and then we just run it under the seat and then inside the cover along the side of the car at the bottom here, and then go to the front over here, and then going in here under the front dash and going all the way into the head unit center section. The same thing we have done with the top microphone, is that we put it right at the top corner over here, and it stayed there nice and neat and very hidden, so it won't bother. And then all the way going down and going down, and our GPS sensor actually stay inside behind here. It is very strong one that we have, so even if it stay here, it still catch the GPS signal very well. I can show you here. Okay, so when we get the GPS up on the screen, you would be able to see the GPS signal coming up very quick. Now here is the GPS. I just turn it on and it turned on quickly and it locked position where it is. Okay, so that's the way our GPS, built-in GPS standard navigation system mount and install. And yep, we just run the camera in already, right? We run GPS sensor over here, right? And we run the external hi-fi microphone, right, behind the head unit. Just run it behind, and you know, inside this channel section. And we even make it nicer with the one USB port here, so we supply in the package, and you can run it from the side here and run into the back of this one, right? And now let's say you all have that waiting here, we start getting our, you know, wiring part into the car, and just follow our instruction. You will plug it in right and put it back into the place, the CD player and the new head unit. The new head unit actually will have two brackets that we already show you in the instruction, and it will lock into the factory bracket by the original screw, so there's no worry about that. It sit like factory, mount like factory, and install like factory at the back end too. It's very firm, very solid. So all the wiring stay plug, twist, plug, done, and it will come up to this, and it just works straight into the car because we already load everything ready, software, hardware thing, and you will get to the point like this, and you can control, you know, climate control like this way too. Okay, so that's exactly what we have done in this car model, and it would be applied quite similar to other LEXUS GS, RS model that we have in our system. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any question, simply give it a call, text message, email, or come to visit us. We're happy to work together. Thank you, and see you then.